Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you all how I make these realism paintings. The first important thing is to choose a high definition reference because realism is all about details. And no matter what form you choose, be it watercolor, acrylic, oil painting or pencil shading, you need to start with observing the reference first and then figure out what the outline looks like. Start with a light sketch focusing on the largest shapes first. Here, as I'm working with watercolor, I prefer to water wash all the big shapes first, then slowly drew all the big outlines with darker colors. After you add your light and dark tones, blend them smooth. There should not be any harsh line visible. On top of the skin tone, I used a smaller brush to do the details, like to paint the coat of the dog. Though I couldn't find the entire time-lapse video of this painting, I just came up with this video to show how I go about these realism paintings. Thank you for watching.